to continue what I was saying earlier on, Free Code Camp, they offer a course that teaches you HTML thoroughly and effectively. So another app you can, website that you can go to is BitDegree. BitDegree, this is more of a child-friendly kind of thing. It's simple, it gets straight to the point, and it works effectively. So you build a website called Space Doggo Adventures. It's really interesting what they do. They offer really good stuff for children, and it's very good. But you have to be careful because, like, when you're coding with BitDegree, you have to get every single word right. You can't even add an extra space because it won't let you run it. So there's something called ethical hacking, right? So ethical hacking is a way of testing, let's say, different websites or apps or companies, how they withstand, like, let's say somebody's trying to hack the company, how they can withstand that. So one of the apps ethical hackers use is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a digital forensics and penetration testing app. This is what the best of the best use and the worst of the worst use. It's really good for beginners and experts, and it's free. So all you can do is you can just download this and you can start straight away. Let's say I recommend going on YouTube. You'll find different courses on how to start using Kali Linux. And then there's another penetration testing app and ethical hacking app called Hashcat. So Hashcat is a password cracking app used for example, different kind of when companies need to use it in case somebody's hacking their stuff. Hashcat isn't illegal. It's not illegal. Not worry about that. Even though it says password cracking, it's mainly used for advanced password recovery. So recovery, not exactly cracking. It can be used for cracking, but that's the bad stuff. The good stuff is the recovery, password recovery, account recovery, those kind of things. And then cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is really important. Anybody that is using anything online should immediately, first of all, learn about cybersecurity, because it's so easy how you can just get scammed. So easy. I'll show you. So there's a site called haveibeenpawned.com. So this website shows, so you can check your email if it has been involved in any breaches, paste, or anything like that. So let's see, I'll type in my email. And I'll check. So it's good news, my account has not been pawned, no breaches have happened, no pastes, because this account is fairly new, nothing's really happened. I've checked my dad's account, for example. His account has been involved in 8 breaches and 1 paste. So I will actually show you that right now, because I found out fascinating how this all happened in the space of no less than 2 years. All 8 pastes and breaches all happened in no less than 3 years. Sorry, 1 second. So if I search this, for example, you see, so it's been involved in breaches you've been involved in. So, for example, in December 2016, my dad was involved in an anti-public combo list. This is unverified, so they're not really sure about this. This list contained 458 million unique email addresses, and they compromised data including email addresses and passwords. One that really confused me was in May 2019, 137 million subscribers of Canva were involved in a breach, which was email addresses, geographic locations, names, passwords, and usernames. Those things, the kind of trouble you can get in for, like, when somebody knows that amount of information, you can get scammed. So many things can happen. That's why cybersecurity is so important. And then there's even one that still amazes me that this even happened. In February 2019, verifications.io, the account was the whole website was compromised, and dates of birth, email addresses, employers, genders, geographic locations, IP addresses, job titles, names, phone numbers, and physical addresses. I just want you to like sit down, just think about that amount of information has been taken and just put on the internet for anybody to see. It's quite incredible, to be honest, if you think about it. And then there was a case that happened in 28th of February 2017 at exactly 17:43. This involved 8,951 emails. This case is still unsolved. Nobody knows what happened, but it still happened. So we still have to be careful using the internet. Be careful to always update your password once in a while. If you haven't did it for like a year or so, try updating your password, or you can go on different sites to generate a password, a really strong password, but make sure you write it down somewhere just in case. And well, that'll be all for now. I hope you take my advice well. Try to think more about cybersecurity, be safe online, and thank you.